You breathe 20,000 times a day. Your breathing patterns shift with your internal state. Breath is both automatic and voluntary, which is why changing how you breathe can change how you feel. Alveos One is a discreet wearable that listens to your breath and understands your shifting state. It captures the subtle acoustic signals and senses the small changes in your breath that reveal when your system is tightening, speeding up, or losing balance. It attaches with a simple magnetic clip. Light, discreet, and thoughtfully designed so you can move through your day with comfort and confidence.
For many of us, the way we breathe, fast, shallow, and through the mouth, ends up hurting our well-being. Specifically, it kicks our nervous system into a high gear, which ultimately can lead to things like chronic stress, poor sleep, and even faster aging through inflammation.
We have all been in moments where things come at you when you least expect it. You try to multitask, keep up, and move fast, but your mind starts rushing ahead. Before you notice it, you are reacting on autopilot. Catching yourself in real time feels almost impossible. This is where Alveos One steps in. A subtle haptic nudge brings you back to your breath and returns you to the present moment. Your environment stays the same. What changes is how you respond to it.
When you're stressed, your breathing becomes faster, shallower, and more irregular. When you're calm, it slows and deepens. These patterns are directly regulated by your autonomic nervous system. So by listening to your breath, you can understand where your system is. And by guiding it, you can influence it. At Alveos, we build technology that closes this loop. Our work is built on a fundamental physiological premise. Your breath is both a real-time readout of your autonomic state and a lever that you can use to change it. What makes us unique is our sensor fusion approach. We combine multiple signals for a richer picture than single metric variables, and our algorithms work in the real world, whether you're moving, working, training, recovering, or sleeping.
If you only have a minute, the AI coach offers a short, personalized session based on your own data to bring your focus back, steady your breath, and stop stress before it stacks up. And when you have more time, it guides you through a longer reset, deepening your breathing and bringing you back to a clear, grounded state. So you're not just reacting, you're shaping how you feel.
That is why we're building Alveos One. It is the first acoustic wearable that clips magnetically onto your chest and helps you take the driver's seat of your own nervous system, whether you want to upregulate and gain energy or downregulate and gain calm and presence. And whether you're an experienced practitioner or just starting to learn about the power of your own breath, Alveos will meet you where you are. And we're not just building a product, we're establishing breathing as the fourth pillar of health, alongside sleep, nutrition, and exercise. Our goal is simple: to help everyone with tools and skills to regulate themselves as they want. Can you imagine what the world might look like if that is the case? If this vision resonates with you, we'd love for you to join us. You can back us on Kickstarter and help us make this vision a reality.